heard this song so good. That's all. I used to love this song.
I love to put foods in my movies.
Oh, then you see the chicken? You didn't show the chicken. The chicken.
Why you cover it so quick?
I cover it because I don't want you to eat all the chicken, my friend.
No, but let me.
Hey, hey. Oh, you know, Frank cook that food, you know.
Yeah, thank you for
And the food is good. Trust me.
Oh, that thing gonna be.
I know it's good. I just ate it. Why are you telling me? I don't trust you.
What is good? I mean, what is a good method?
I think we got a party in Canada. Not this thing in Canada. I'm sorry.
When I leave it for you, I'm gonna do my movies. This used to cost $500, but I paid $148 for it because I bought it refurbished, and it worked so well.
And now, how much cost?
No, I don't buy from these guys. I get my own place that I buy from, but refurbished, I bought it, and I have it like for like 3 years now. Exactly. You see all the videos from the wedding? And I do videos with this that people see those videos and they got like those real professional. If you go to YouTube, you see videos that are so professional. They don't even come